In this video, I'm about to show you how to wire transfer to Gemini. First, ensure that you're sending funds from a bank account already registered with your Gemini account. Gemini can only accept deposits from a bank account associated with your account. For a business account, the bank account must be in the name of the business entity, matching the name on the Gemini account. For personal accounts, the bank account must be in your name, matching your Gemini account name. Make sure to include your account reference code in the memo, notes, or reference section to help expedite processing. Next, initiate your deposit via the Gemini app or website and follow the on-screen instructions. For domestic, personal, or retail account wire transfers, click on the provided link and select Wire Transfer under the Transfer Method drop-down. Follow the step, ensuring that your unique account reference code is included in the wire deposit to avoid delay. For institutional IRA/401k/business account, click the link for deposit or withdrawals. Select Wire Transfer under the Transfer Method drop-down and proceed with the steps. Again, make sure your account reference code is included for smooth processing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.